of sengemenge food na dey make body jolly. And inside obodo Naija we get orishirishi kind of food wey country people dey take hold their body. Food inside Naija dey colourful and the scent wey dey follow am na baba. On top lifestyle today, may we talk about just one inside this orishirishi food. May we talk about rice. Plenty people dey cut cap give rice because you fit take am perform any type of magic inside pot depending on wetin you like. Coconut rice na that rice wey dem dey take coconut milk dey cook, and jollof rice dey come out colourful because of the different spice wey dem dey take garnish am. Fried rice na that one wey dem dey take vegetable oil, cow liver, carrot and some other making sense things cook. You fit take am chop plate salad, chicken, fish or meat, and if you wan kill yourself patapata, just escort am enter belle with one cold minerals. Tuwo shinkafa sef no dey carry last for north, and rice na dem dey take cook am. Whether tuwo, coconut, fried or jollof rice, just make sure say something enter your belle because man no die, man no rot ten. Na here I go put kpokpom on top today lifestyle segment. My name na Skimpy and I throway salute give una say una good morning.